In our business, we have a lot of different accounts that we have to deal with. We have an eBay account and we have multiple Whatnot accounts that we use to sell on Whatnot. And it becomes very burdensome when you have to check eBay messages, then you have to check Whatnot messages. Now, the way that we deal with this, I think, is something that you can use and probably apply across the board if you have multiple accounts for anything. So as you can see here, here's all our different Whatnot accounts. Now, if I click on one, it'll open up a new window. Then I have bookmarks here, all the different things I need to check. So then I'm going to basically open up the next account, check. I'm going to open up the next account, check. I'm going to open up the next account, game, check. I'm going to open up the next account, check. And that last account, I'll open it up, but we don't really use that one, but we can check that. Now, I just use Command W. I'll go through each one, right? And that's basically how we do it without sharing any personal information. It's simple as that. So I'll go through, open them all up, and then close out, close out, close out. If I have a question, I answer it, deal with it right then and there, close it out. And I'm done in 5 minutes checking 5 or 6 different accounts, unless there's a lot of messages, which generally there isn't. We've done a great job at reducing our defect rate. And yeah, it's just a small little tip, thought that I would pass that along. If you're not using multiple Gmail accounts, to use multiple Chrome accounts and logging into those. The way you basically do it is you can add a new profile, and that you can use a different Google account or Gmail account for. It's so easy. The other thing is by making a drop down, a folder of bookmarks, you can add all the links you want in there. And then if you hold Command or Control on a PC and click on it, it will open up all of those tabs at once. Super helpful. And honestly, a hack that I have, I'm not going to show my links, but I have one for morning. I literally wake up, there's 19 tabs that open up, and I just bang everything out that I need to. So every morning I'm up to date with eBay messages, with payouts, with accounting and everything like that. So hopefully that was helpful, and we'll see you guys next time.